Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Nurdafinah binti Lukman and my matrix number is S50262. The title of my book is Viral, written by Helen Fitzgerald. Before I start, I have one question. Have you ever do something bad for the first time when the video leaked and it went viral just a blink of an eye? Imagine wherever you go, you feel insecure, you feel unsafe, you wonder who saw your video. Today I will talk about Sujin, the main character of my book, who is born by Korean by birth and was adopted by an English family, and how she managed to survive in this situation. There will be three main characteristics that had been shown in Sujin's character, which are independent, practical, and determined. Firstly, I say that she is independent because she does not rely on anybody to seek for a shelter in a strange place that she had never been before. She booked her own flight across the country without the help of anybody. She goes everywhere alone, all by herself. She does not depend on any other people. She lives in a strange place all alone. Secondly, she is practical. She is a perceptive person as she plans things accordingly before she acts. She knows she is not in a good stage as she is on trending. She captures things quite quickly and plans accordingly on how she should act. She never doubts on her actions nor hesitated in whatever she's doing. For example, she knows before she starts doing anything, she needs to go to the ATM machine first to get some cash before she starts going on her own adventure. Lastly, I say that she is determined because she is not influenced. She is not easily influenced by people. She looks at the validity of her goals and does not get convinced by people very easily. She insists on hanging around alone for some time until her popularity dies down and soothes. She does not want to return home as she can't bear having her family members being embarrassed due to her wrongdoings, although her mother has persuaded her to go home. Above are three characteristics best describe Sujin as the main character on how she escapes people. So the internet has brought both positive and negative. It depends on how people use internet, as internet is one of the tools that is most powerful, where in one touch every piece of your information could be known worldwide. So I hope people, especially teens and young adults, will really know how to use the internet to bring positive into the minds and hearts of the people to stop spreading negativity. Thank you.